Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, simply open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power key and volume down, both of the keys at the same time. You'll get the animation. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll need access to storage, so allow that, and there we go. As you can see, it pops up this thing on the bottom, and from here you can edit it, share it, and also make a scrollable screenshot. Now, right now you have this screenshot that you can see, or one that you captured already, right? And if you press the scrollable one, it will override it and make it longer. So if I tap on it, there we go, it will start scrolling, and then you can keep on tapping on it to expand it even further. As you can see, once you're done with it, just simply disregard it. It will disappear after a couple of seconds, hopefully. There we go. So I guess you have to tap back. So then the image itself can be found in your photo gallery, either right here under the today, basically the newest one, or I believe if you go into albums, it should create a screenshot album. There we go. And you can see it in here. So that's how you capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.